This is our project, and today we're working on this white Golf. And what we're doing here today, Z? Today we're going to show you how to remove a passenger front or driver side front seatbelt on a Volkswagen Golf Mark 6. And the tools that you need are, so you got this thin pin trim remover, got a T20, I've got it with extension, try to get a nice thin one. Now you can use a T50 or an M8. I'm going to use the M8 because it's a bit long extended. So the first thing that you need to do... Open the door. No, remove the battery. So we've done that already. The battery's been removed, trimmed from the bottom. Pull this down. You got the bolt here. Like I said, it's either T50 or M8, and I'm going to use the M8. It's quite hidden up here. There you go. So that's loose. It's quite tricky because all these carpet and stuff underneath. Yeah. Abstraction. Mind the dust and the dirt. It's only a spare car, so I'm not really too bothered about that. And with the spare cars, I love the extra money you get with them. And dog hair. Yeah, and dog hair. I wish I had this power gun. It'd be 2 seconds. Bang, bang, done. Okay, once you remove that, the seat belt is loose. Then what you want to do is you want to get a thin trim remover tool and remove your airbag. Now watch it, they go flying. Nope, this one's not. And then you want to get your T20 and you got a bolt stuck right inside there. Yep, about there. If you move out of the way. Okay, so you want to remove that bolt. Okay, once it's loose, then see this trim here. This trim here. We'll remove that out of the way, like this. So see this trim over here, the weather trim. You want to black rubber, yeah. This out of the way. Get your hand in there and just slide this out of the way. Come around this side. Same thing over here. Just remove that out of the way. Get your hand in there and remove it. Okay, and there you go. That's removed. Okay, so now you can remove the seat belt through here and remove the trim out of the way. Now if you come back around this side, as you can see, we have again T50 or M8. We don't need to remove that, so it's this one here, and now we got this trim and we got this trim. But before we remove this trim, we need to remove this trim because we got another T20 underneath that's hooking onto this trim here. So now this trim, so now we have this trim. Now to remove this trim, you have two T20 bolts hidden, one over here, one over here. So we need to remove this trim over here. Now this trim is one long piece from there to here. And obviously you have to remove this trim for this trim to come off. But we're not going to remove all of this. We are just going to lift this up just a little bit. See that? So in clips, move this aside. And then just, oops, mind your hands, bring that around. And just pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, and then move it aside. Okay, now be careful, it's flexible, it won't crack, so don't worry about it. But don't force it too much. Don't force it too much. Put it underneath the handbrake, I'm going to put it. Just remember, I've got so much space, so you might have to take a passenger front seat, depending if you've got extended tool or not. Yes, you can do it with that, but then you have to remove all the trim out of the way rather than bending it. Now we have the two T20 bolts over here. That's a T50 or M8 for the seatbelt again. Now remove these two T20 bolts. Let's remove them out of the way, like that. Put it somewhere safe. Again, remove this one. Okay, now this trim should come off. You don't give them the top, innit? Yeah. There you go. There you go. And now you can move this out of the way. You can put this aside. Now it's just purely seatbelt. T50 or M8. I'm going to use the M8. Loosen this. You can take it off totally because it's still in the hooked into the bracket. And now we can loosen this, but don't remove this. Reason being because you got another T20 here, T20 over here, just to hold the seatbelt in position. So I'm going to loosen this, but I want to take it off. There you go. Now get your T20. Now I'm not going to remove both. I'm going to remove one and I'll loosen the other side and I'll slide the seatbelt from the bottom or from the back of it. So move that seatbelt out of the way just to show you. Okay. Now I'm going to loosen this side rather than taking it off. See, it's loose now. And just slide it over there. Now, before we take this off, what I will do is I'm going to remove this safety pin. This is your seatbelt connector for the airbag module, I believe. So just pin it in here. And just move it nicely like that. See? Now remember to disconnect your battery, as I said earlier. Now this is quite tedious, this work is here, but you're going to wiggle it out. There you go. Now we can go ahead and remove this bolt. I'm going to put the bolt back so I know where it goes. And now you can remove the seatbelt. And that's one seatbelt removed off a Golf Mark 6 2012 plate. This is the Blue Motion. Guys, I hope this video has been useful to you. Stay safe, stay blessed. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care. Car's locked. Car's locked. Car's locked. Hold on, stop it. Yep. And now the car's unlocked. So if you want to go, what's the best way to do it from here? So you've got to come around, yeah, come around the other side or come around this side here even. Yep. Right, so first thing you want to do is remove this.